Hello people, and for today, we're going to be showing you how to unfollow Instagram followers who are not following back if you want. And conversely, with what we're going to do, it will also help you follow back people who you want to follow back. And I understand that there are apps that can help with this, but I'll talk about that later. First off, here is a manual method on how to get the list. Now, in case you're wondering why the numbers are low, it's because I made this account specifically for the purposes of showing you how this is done. I'll discuss more on the other options after we sort out the followers and the following. For mobile, you would want to go to the settings on your top right and then access the Meta Account Center. But for PC, it's a bit different. You can access the Meta Account Center from the bottom left, go to settings, or just click on the gear icon on the top of the screen, the top right hand side, and then go to settings and privacy. Now here, just go to Meta Account Center, and once you're here, you want to go to your information and permissions. Now once you get here, go to download your information. Now you can see this specific information here because I downloaded that earlier, but what you have to do is download or transfer information, and then we just need some of your information and go down followers and following. There you go. Once you click next, download to device, and you can select if you want it to be recent or if you want it all time. We can just go to all time, create files. Now this will take a few minutes, maybe around 5 to 10 minutes. There you go. And once you hit download, now that we have these files, let's just show in folder, extract the files, go in, go to connections, go to followers and following, and let's see. Now let's start with following. All you have to do is copy paste. Just select. Now obviously, the longer this list goes, you would have to scroll down. But what we're going to do now is to go to a website. Now go to Google, type in compare to list. Yes, compare to list. And once you got here, you can choose wherever you want to copy the to list. You can even remove the Instagram dates and just copy that. This is the following. Now you can just go back to the folder, open the other list, then copy to the followers. Now all we have to do is to compare the list. After comparing the list, it will show us 3 columns: the ones that you are only following, the ones that are following you, and the ones who are following back. So in this figure, ideally you would want to look at the first column, who you're following, to see which of the accounts on the list you would want to unfollow. And the reason why this method is important is because with an app that lets you mass unfollow a bunch of accounts that you are following, what if it unfollows the verified accounts that you do want to follow, whether or not they follow you back? But that aside, I will be mentioning an app we can use. We have one app here. It is rated 1.8. that ideally should let you unfollow en masse. Let's just hope Instagram comes up with their own method of allowing us to do this, because the current apps on the App Store, I haven't seen anything that has even a 4.5. The best I saw was a 4.1, so I can't say for certain how well those apps work. For the meantime, this manual method we have is the best way to sort this out. Now I hope this video was helpful. You can always leave a comment, and you could also like and subscribe to the channel if it helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.